Fine. So, as we were doing nutrition in plants, okay. So today we will revise it little bit. Then we will proceed further. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So
Okay, ma'am.
that is, you have your books and notebooks ready with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we have
Yes, ma'am.
good nutrition in plants. Okay. So what you have to understand regarding this thing is just hold. Okay. Gautam da, Gautam da, Gautam da, स्लाइड नहीं चेंज हो रहा है. सर, गौतम दा को बुलाइए. पारुमिता, स्लाइड नहीं चेंज हो रहा.
ये माउस है, ये माउस यहाँ है, ये माउस अभी यहाँ, ये देखिए यहाँ आ गया माउस. अब कीजिए.
हाँ, ओके.
समझे?
हाँ. हाँ.
ये वाला लेकर आइए.
ये
पेन को हमेशा ऐसे रखिए. ये पूरी करके दे दीजिए.
ओके. Fine. So first we will study. Okay. First we will learn that what do you mean by nutrients. All of you, we know that we eat food, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay. So in food, when you are eating what? Are you eating that? Today I will eat carbohydrates. Today I will eat lipids. Do you eat like that? No.
No, ma'am.
Okay. How do you eat? You eat roti, dal, chapatis, and parathas, and vegetables, and ghee, milk products. So many things you are in compound you are taking. Okay. So you should understand that nutrients means Wait, just hold on, beta, okay? Sir, sir, ये कैसे माउस आता है मुझे समझ नहीं। हाँ, ओके ओके फाइन। Okay, nutrients means food. Whatever you are eating, you are obtaining them from food. So in general, we can say it's a food. Okay. Now, so if through food, what you are having? You have carbohydrates, you have lipids, you have proteins, you have minerals. So many things you can have through your food. Okay. So how does it help? It helps you to in growing. It helps you in everything like how you are playing, how you are studying, in every metabolic activity means whatever your body is performing, each type of function is done by these nutrients. So nutrients basically helps you in your growth. Okay, it helps in your growth. Then it helps you in your repairing of tissues. So basically what happens that sometimes there is a damage. यहाँ recording नहीं हो रहा है I think so sometimes what happens that your tissues are being damaged. Okay, just I am giving you one example. Sometimes you play very much and what happens that you get a bruise. आपको चोट लग जाती है ना, चोट लग जाती है तो कैसे खून आ जाता है, आपका जो स्किन है वो डैमेज हो जाता है, but slowly and what happens, it will get recovered. ओके, बाद में वो ठीक हो जाता है. तो वो जो रिपेयरिंग होता है वो कैसे होता है, वो टिश्यू का. ओके ओके, जस्ट डू वन थिंग, switch off your mic, you just put on your cameras and switch off your mic. Okay, fine. Whenever you want to ask something, then only you switch on your mic. Understood? Otherwise we will talk like this. Got it? Very good. So, repairing of tissues, your growth. You must be knowing that when you were in class 1, you were so small. And when you were in class 5, then you have grown up. Now you are in class 7. Debayan, please switch off your mic, beta. Okay, fine. Now it's okay. So, in class 7, when you came, you have grown up little bit, your height has been increased, your weight must have changed, something must have changed. That is called growth, repairing of tissues, then all type of activities. See, all type of activities. What activities do you understand? That if you want to talk, you need energy. Then if you want to walk, you need energy. If you are even laughing and crying, you need energy. And that energy is obtained from the nutrients. And nutrients you obtain from food. So food is giving you carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, minerals, everything you are obtaining it from your diet. Understood this? So this every part of it is you obtain from your diet. Okay, and diet what does mean? The word means breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And in between, whatever you are eating, packet foods and all that, okay, they are not giving you much energy, but okay, fine, you can eat them, but regularly they should not be. Understood this part? Okay. Now, see this.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Next. So we know that there are two types of nutrients. Last in the class we have studied. Okay. In class what we have studied? Autotrophic, heterotrophic. We studied this one. Okay. You must have written also the definitions I have given you. Okay. So wherever there is a word trophic, okay, wherever there is a word, if you have the word which is ending with the trophic, that means nutrition. We are talking about
Okay, ma'am.
nutrition. Is it clear? Okay, fine. So wherever it is coming, if it is coming trophic, then that means you are talking something about your food or you're eating something that is related to it. So auto itself means self. The things which can make their own food for their diet, they are called autotrophic organisms. Okay, they are called autotrophic organisms. Is it clear to you? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
autotrophic,
ma'am.
see, you must be knowing this because I think from class 5 you are studying this, that plants can use sunlight to make their own foods. Okay, that you must be studying. So because I am giving you this one extra information, just listen to it carefully. Because plants use sunlight, and sunlight in biology, when you are talking about sunlight, it is something related to photo. It is related to photo. Okay, so you must be knowing that plants are performing photosynthesis. That you must be knowing. Okay, so plants are performing photosynthesis. That means they are preparing their food by using light. Is it clear to you? Okay, so plants are how they are obtaining their nutrition from sunlight. So plants are called phototrophic. Plants are called phototrophic. This, if you want to write in your book, in extra part you can write. Okay, so plants are phototrophic in nature. Phototrophic means they are obtaining their nutrition by using light. Understood this? But they are obtaining their nutrition, okay, by using light. Is this part is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So plants are phototrophic in nature. That's why they can perform photosynthesis. Okay, that's why they can perform photosynthesis. Understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So this you have to make it very clear in your mind. Okay, autotrophic, that means they can prepare their own food. And phototrophic, means they use the light to prepare their own food. Understood this difference between photo and auto?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, okay, so second one is heterotrophic. Heterotrophic, that means hetero, which depend on others for food. Like us, we depend on others for food. Am I right? Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
we need somebody. See, we are very much dependent. You are dependent for food. To whom you look at your home? Your mama? You are dependent on your mother. When she will cook, then
Yes,
only you
ma'am.
will eat. So what you are? Heterotrophic in nature?
Yes, ma'am. We are ready something. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that's good. So now see, we will proceed further. Today we will see lot of pictures. Okay, these are types of nutrition. You want to write it? Are you
Yes,
writing?
ma'am.
Shall I change the slide?
Yes, ma'am. You can. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you written it?
No, yes, ma'am.
If you want to write, write it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. So phototrophic means using light. Autotrophic. So see, I can say that plants are phototrophic, plants are autotrophic. Can I say like that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Plants are both. Plants are autotrophic also, plants are phototrophic also. So you can fuse these words, photo, autotrophic. One more word it will be there. What it will be? Photo, autotrophic. Clear? One more. It's a fusion of this and this. Okay? Fine. Shall I proceed? Shall I change this line?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, right. Now I'm changing. Okay?
I'm a student.
How shall I go back? Okay, fine. So again back. Now further. So how do plants synthesize their own food?
Ma'am, you are muted yourself.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
now it's okay?
Yes, ma'am. Now it's okay.
How do plants synthesize their own food? So, see, this is how the process works. Can you see the sunlight? Can you see the sunlight? Okay, see, sunlight is there. From atmosphere, carbon dioxide is there. Okay, so when sunlight and carbon dioxide are getting mixed, then plants are what they are doing, they are making sugars. See, they are making sugars, and what they are giving to us, they are giving us water, they are giving us oxygen. Understood this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this process is called photosynthesis. This process is photosynthesis. Now, can you see
Ma'am,
this?
photosynthesis.
Yes, this process, can you see that?
Photosynthesis.
Yes, beta?
Ma'am, we have to draw this.
No need. Just understand. Okay, see this. Can you see that I am saying that plants are making their own food, plants are making their own food. Here it is written sugars. Okay, so sugars, what does that mean? Sugar means they are making starch. Form of food is starch. Okay, whatever their food they are making, that is called starch. Understood this? Okay, the sugars are nothing but the starch. Now see how they are making. One sugar molecule, okay, molecule word you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if there is one sugar molecule is there, okay, then plant will make another sugar, third sugar, fourth sugar, and this is how n number of sugars are being made. Okay, and all of them will combine with each other. They will form a bond, just like a chain. Okay, one long chain will be there, and there may be possibility like this also, like this, like this. This is how the sugars will combine to each other. Okay, when sugars are combining like this, what they will form? They will form
Ma'am, start.
starch. Okay, got it? ठीक है, fine.
Ma'am, we can also have even carbohydrates.
Yes, starch is nothing but it's a carbohydrate. Starch is nothing but a carbohydrate. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next is, have you understood this diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
See here. Can you see this big picture over here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
here you can see the diagram of a leaf. One leaf is there. Okay, and in this leaf there are so many small noses are there. The way you have nose, similar type of noses are present in the leaf also. Okay, and these leaves are called stomata. These leaves are called
Stomata.
stomata. Okay, so
Stomata.
stomata in English, stomata is a biological word. Okay, in English it is called pore. Okay, it is called pore. Is it clear to you?
Yes,
Or
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
it can also be named as opening, or it can also be called as opening. Fine. Okay. Now see
Yes,
this.
ma'am.
Can you see this diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
This diagram is showing you this is true picture, you know. This is original picture. This is how the stomata will look like when you will see the leaf under the microscope. We have seen so many slides under the microscope on that day.
Yes,
Amoeba,
ma'am.
amoeba and
Yes, ma'am.
paramecia. Okay.
Amoeba, paramecia, and all.
Yes, that part you have seen. Similarly, if you see the leaves under the microscope, this is how the stomata will appear. Can you see them? This is stomata. This is also a stomata. All of them are stomatas.
Opening.
Understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
So see this.
Yes, ma'am.
It is seen under the microscope. In a small area, you can see so many number of stomatas. Like this, there are hundreds of stomata. If this type of leaf is there, then hundreds of stomata will be there. So many noses are there for the leaves. Is it clear to you? Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
now see this. This stomata is just like these hands you can see. If they are like this, that means stomata is closed. Okay, this is closed stomata. So if the stomata is closed, then what will happen? No exchange of air will be there. Means CO2 will not come inside and oxygen will not go outside. Understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but if it opens like this, okay, can you understand? If it opens like this, then there will be a pore. So through this pore, the CO2 will come inside and oxygen will go outside. Understood this part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So see this, that here you can see here at this region. Can you see the pore over here? Stoma.
No, ma'am. Okay.
This is a pore. Can you see this?
I'm like, ma'am. Surface like structure.
Opening. There is a opening over here. See, I am showing you again. Okay. Just hold. Okay, see this. Yes, beta. Okay, see this. This is a pore. Can you see there is a space over here?
Yes, ma'am.
There is a space. Okay, here also there is a space.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am, I can't see anything.
who is not able to see?
Ma'am, I can't see.
I means tell your name, beta. See here. See here.
Adisha.
Okay, fine. See this. See this carefully. This is an opening. From this area, the CO2 will go inside. Okay, and then oxygen will come outside. Now you can see.
Yes, ma'am. Now I can see. Yes, ma'am.
Is clear? Okay, so this is how the stomata will look like. Similarly, there is another pore over here. Here also CO2 will go inside and oxygen will come outside through this space. Okay, so what diagram is over here is that it's a structure of leaf. You must be aware of that leaf has two surface, upper surface, lower surface. See, if this is a leaf, you will be having upper surface and lower surface. So there are so many noses present on the surface of the leaf. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now, if this is clear to you, see to this. Stoma means pore. Okay, stoma means pore. So, only the area which is open, that is called pore. It looks like this. I am drawing it over here. There are two kidney shaped cells are there. The way you have your kaju you are eating. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Similar type of two cells are attached like this. Can you see here in this diagram? You have one outline over here. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. These are called guard cells. These are called
Red tape.
guard cells. Okay. See, in every stomata it is there. Here also guard cells are there. Here also guard cells are there. Okay. Here also guard cells are there. Everywhere, wherever there is a word stomata is there is a guard cell. Okay. Now see this. The opening is called stoma. Opening is called stoma. And the cells are called guard cells. When these two are added, then it is called stomata. Then it is called stomata. Okay, so see this. It's a guard cells which are opening it and which are closing it. So when they are like this, then the stoma is open. When they are like this, then the stoma is closed. Understood this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So stoma is means pore or opening. Stoma and guard cells will give you the word that is called stomata. Are you clear with this part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Can we draw the guard?
yes, you can draw this one. Okay, you can draw this.
Ma'am, which one?
This.
Ma'am, art is also.
Shall I draw it more clearly?
Hello, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just wait.
Ma'am, I can't hear anything.
You can't hear anything? Just check your network, beta.
Ma'am, and she will leave and rejoin when she will be because
Okay. Technically, you know the procedure. You can follow it. Just hold on. I will be drawing it clearly. Okay. See this. Here I am drawing. So these are guard cells and this is stoma. Okay, both of them will be called as stomata. Now it is clear to you?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can draw it.
Ma'am, that entering that exiting called stoma.
Yes, very good. You understood it. Okay, through that opening only the gases will come inside and move outside. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
okay, and shall I proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Debayan, Nilanjan, shall I proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Ayush, where are you? Your camera is off.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now see this. This is the structure of plant cell. This is the structure of plant cell. Can you see that this is a cell wall? The outer side is cell wall. Then you have dark green layer is there, that is called cell membrane. Okay? You don't have to draw plant cell. Just understand. Okay? Then see this. In the center there is a big vacuole. Big space is there. This is a space. Just understand that what happens vacuole. What does that mean by vacuole? This vacuole is filled with so much of fluid. Okay, just imagine that suppose you are having a paper bag with you. Okay, one paper bag is there and inside there you are having one balloon. Okay, and you are filling the air in the balloon. When you are filling the air in the balloon, then what will happen? The paper bag will also change its size.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Same thing is done by vacuum. Vacuum is filled with so much of air and means it is filled with fluid so that the plant cell can remain tight. Okay. If this vacuole will lose the fluid, then the plant cell will get shrink. ओके आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू वन एग्जाम्पल. आप लोग छोले खाते हो ना?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, सभी लोग
हाँ,
खाते
मैम, खाते हैं.
हो? ये सबको अच्छा लगता है. ओके फाइन. सो जब मम्मा उसको बॉक्स में रखती है तब वो ड्राई सीड्स होते हैं.
Yes, ma'am. हाँ, मैम.
है ना? ड्राई होते हैं क्योंकि उसका जो वैक्यूल है वो, क्योंकि छोले क्या है, वो भी प्लांट का सीड है ना. सीड है। ओके, तो सीड क्या है? प्लांट सेल है। तो सेल के अंदर से जब सारा पानी खत्म हो जाता है तो वो श्रिंक हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि उसके वैक्यूल में सारा पानी खत्म हो गया है। और जब वापिस आप उसको रात में पानी में डाल देते हो तो सुबह वो फिर से टाइट हो जाता है, क्योंकि वैक्यूल फिर से खुद को पानी से भर देता है, तो सेल पूरे टाइट हो जाते हैं। इसलिए छोला जो है वो सुबह जो होता है सॉफ्ट हो जाता है। अंडरस्टूड दिस? वेरी गुड। उसके अंदर क्या होता है?
उसके अंदर भी वैक्यूम होता है।
वैक्यूम नहीं होता है बेटा,
उसके अंदर भी
it just loses the water. Because it is losing its water, that's why it becomes dry. Okay, once the water will be received, then it will again regain the shape and size. Understood this?
yes ma'am, understood.
Okay,
Yes
fine.
ma'am.
Hmm? Now, see this. I will go for the next slide. This is the equation of photosynthesis. I think the upper one is given in your book.
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Carbon dioxide, water, light and chlorophyll gives you glucose and oxygen. Okay, so next with symbols is also there. See this: CO2, H2O. CO2 is carbon dioxide, H2O is water. Okay, now see this. Have you seen that here it is written 6?
Yes ma'am.
Here also 6.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, well, 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 molecules of water will combine. Then what will you obtain? You obtain
Glucose.
very good. Then you obtain glucose. And this glucose, I think I have shown you the previous diagram in which the sugars is being written. Okay, what you have written?
Yes.
Sugars. Okay, one sugar. So glucose is nothing but one type of sugar. Is it clear to you? Glucose is also a sugar. So
Yes ma'am.
when there are so many of glucose will combine with each other, what they will make? They will make starch. And starch is food prepared by plant using photosynthesis. Understood this?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Now see this. Understand over here. See, I am making you understand one logic. You don't have to mug up the equation. आपको रट्टा नहीं मारना है equation. थोड़ा सा logic sense लगाओगे आ जाएगा. ठीक है? देखो.
Okay ma'am.
6 कार्बन्स हैं. C के साथ क्या लिखा हुआ है? 6 लिखा हुआ है.
Yes ma'am.
ठीक है? तो ये जो 6 है वो कार्बन और ऑक्सीजन के लिए कॉमन है. ठीक है? वो कार्बन एंड ऑक्सीजन के लिए क्या है? कॉमन. मैथ्स में पढ़ते हो ना?
कॉमन है.
मैथ में पढ़ते हो ना आप लोग ये?
Yes ma'am.
हाँ, बस वैसे ही समझना है. सो 6 C into O2, तो 6 दोनों के लिए कॉमन हो गया. ओके.
Yes ma'am.
देखो अब उस इधर 6 कार्बन है तो इस साइड भी 6 कार्बन ही होने चाहिए. तो यहाँ पर 6 कार्बन हैं.
Yes ma'am.
है ना? यहाँ पर 6 कार्बन है तो कार्बन हमारा डन. अंडरस्टूड? ओके.
Yes ma'am.
अब देखो 6 O2 है. 6 O2 बचे हैं. ठीक है? अब यहां पर 6H2 into O। तो पहले हम ये देख लेते हैं, देखो सॉरी एक जस्ट वेट। सी दिस 6 ऑक्सीजन होने चाहिए,
Yes,
ठीक है,
ma'am.
बट ऑक्सीजन 2 है, ठीक है, तो इन 6 2 जा
12.
12। तो अभी हम लिखेंगे, एक्स्ट्रा है उसको लिख लेते हैं, यहाँ पर लिख लेते हैं 12 ऑक्सीजन जो है वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड से बचे हुए हैं, ठीक है।
Okay, ma'am.
फिर नेक्स्ट 6H2, 6H2, जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड दिस। तो H भी 2 बार है, तो क्या होगा 6 2 जा
12.
12, तो 12H2 हो गए, 12H हो गए,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ओके। सो हाइड्रोजन इज डन, बैलेंस है हमारा, ठीक है। नाउ अब यहाँ पर 6 ऑक्सीजन भी है साथ में, ठीक है। तो पहले हमको कितने ऑक्सीजन मिले थे, 12 ऑक्सीजन प्लस 6 ऑक्सीजन, कितने ऑक्सीजन होने चाहिए,
Ma'am, 180 oxygen. Ma'am, 89 oxygen.
18 ऑक्सीजन होने चाहिए,
Ma'am, 18 oxygen.
वेरी गुड। तो अब देखो
Ma'am, 18 oxygen.
यहाँ पर O6 है, तो ये 6 है, प्लस यहाँ पर 6 2 जा 12, तो 18 ऑक्सीजन भी डन हो गए हमारे।
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
समझ आया आप लोगों को?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
यस बेटा।
Ma'am, the last part I can't understand. Ma'am, the O6.
O6, this one,
Yes, ma'am, me too.
see here 6 time oxygen is there, how many times,
6 times.
6 times, and here 6 into 2, 12 times are there, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So 12 plus 6 is 18 oxygens,
13.
so 18 oxygen on this side, 18 oxygen on this side, balance हो गया सब कुछ।
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
आया समझ में? तो अब आप देखो,
When am I done?
हाँ
Am I done? No,
प्राप्ति, you cannot understand,
no, ma'am.
okay,
Ma'am, 12 oxygen is after I H2 and then ma'am O6 is beside 2
wait
oxygen and the last is written what it means.
wait, I am giving you the hint again.
Ma'am, I like the question very much.
You liked,
Ma'am, I like the equation very much.
you liked it,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. See, I am writing here step by step, okay. See, you have for photosynthesis, you want carbon dioxide, CO2 you want, okay, plus what you want, H2. Understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Two things you require. You require carbon dioxide, you require water, and from sunlight you are obtaining everything.
Ma'am,
And
basically I have to write.
what beta?
Ma'am, basically I have to write.
I'm not getting you. You have to write this. This is what you are asking me.
Yes, ma'am.
Just wait. First of all, understand. Then, if you want, then you will write.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, just understand. See, you need CO2, you need water, you need sunlight, you need chlorophyll. Then only the glucose will be made. Then only glucose, or can I write sugar, will be
Yes,
made.
ma'am.
Is it clear to you? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
But glucose is made up of 6 carbons, 12 hydrogens and 6 oxygens. Glucose is made up of 6 carbons, 12 hydrogens and 6 oxygen. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if you want 6 carbon, then you need 6 times CO2.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting me? Is this part is
Yes,
clear to
ma'am.
you? See, you need 6 carbons. That means you need 6 times carbon dioxide.
Yes,
Understood?
ma'am.
Okay. Now, if carbon you are giving number 6, that means O2 will become 12, oxygen will become 12. How it will become 12? It will become 12. 6 into 2. That is why it will become 12. Now you have understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, then you want 12 hydrogens. So how you will make 12 hydrogen? By writing 6 over here? 6 into
Yes, ma'am.
2. Then the hydrogen will be 12.
Yes,
Understood
ma'am.
this part? Okay. Now here hydrogen has become 12. So this part is done. This part is done. But what about the oxygen? It is 6. Now here oxygen is 6. Here oxygen is 12. So 12 plus 6 is
80.
18. So here you have to make 18 oxygens. So 6 already you have from glucose. 6 you have. Okay. Then 6 O2 if I will write, then you will get 12 oxygens.
Yes, ma'am.
Now is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
See, so this is why now understand. You are studying from class 5th. Okay, plants are taking carbon dioxide and they are giving us oxygen. ठीक है? See, they are taking 6 carbon dioxides और रिटर्न में वो हमको कितने ऑक्सीजन देते हैं? 12.
12.
आया समझ में? ठीक है,
Hmm.
वो एनवायरमेंट में से 6 लेते हैं और हमको कितना ऑक्सीजन देते हैं? डबल देते हैं. डबल देते हैं ना? आया?
Yes, ma'am.
सो दैट्स व्हाई हमको ट्रीज लगाना जरूरी है. ग्रो मोर ट्रीज. अंडरस्टूड दिस पार्ट?
Yes, ma'am.
ज्यादा प्लांट होंगे तो वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ले लेंगे और डबल ऑक्सीजन देंगे, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So now the photosynthesis is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody? Debayan?
Yes, ma'am.
देबायन को समझ आया? Deban, Deban, are you hearing me? Okay, fine. We will see that part later on.
Ma'am, can you please go to the previous part?
Yes. This one?
Yes, ma'am.
This one you want?
Yes, ma'am. I want. Concerning beauty.
Yes, what are you saying, beta? Deban, I can hear you. You can say. See, you can say like this if you have understood. Okay? If you have not understood, put your thumb down. So I will repeat. Okay, fine. Now shall I proceed? Okay. Now, apart from plants, what you know that basically हमारे लिए plants क्या होते हैं? जो भी ऐसा होता है या ऐसे होता है वो सब हमारे लिए क्या है? Plants है. सबके सब plants है. Okay, but in nature there are different types of plants also. Okay, what you can say, there are different type of organism which can also perform photosynthesis. वो भी photosynthesis कर सकते हैं और उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? algae. algae देखा है आप लोगों ने?
Yes, ma'am.
अगर और नहीं देखा है तो मैं दिखाती हूँ. ऐसा देखा है पानी पर? देखा है ना? Yes, this is algae. देखा है ऐसे? बिल्डिंग पे भी हो जाता है ना, बिल्डिंग के ऊपर भी ग्रीन ग्रीन वो सब यस वो सब क्या है? algae है. इसीलिए पता है वो अपना फूड खुद बनाती है. algae कैन परफॉर्म फोटोसिंथेसिस. देखो वो भी ग्रीन कलर की है, प्लांट जैसी है ना. ओके, दे कैन परफॉर्म फोटोसिंथेसिस. इसलिए वो वॉल पे से नहीं जाती है. हाँ बेटा, यू कैन नॉट हियर एनीथिंग और सी एनीथिंग. You cannot see anything. Beta, just switch on off, do that part your phone, so you will see it, because it's a network problem, because everybody else can see it. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So this is how the algae looks like. So wherever there is a algae,
But it is so slippery.
yes, very true. It's very slippery. And whenever you are walking on it, your mama must be telling you, warning you, walk slowly, you will fall down.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Am I right? So these are also the organisms. These are the,
Old toilet.
yes, these are the organisms which can perform photosynthesis. Not only the plants, even algae can also perform photosynthesis. Is it clear to you?
Yes,
So this point you can write in your notebook
ma'am.
that algae
Yes, ma'am.
can also perform photosynthesis. This point you can,
Will have to write.
this line you have to write.
Okay, ma'am.
Nilanjan is eating something. Are you hungry? So what you are eating? What you are eating?
Yes, ma'am.
You were eating something.
Yes, ma'am.
Got you. Fine. So,
I'm sorry.
oh, see what he is eating. Very bad. Nilanjan, very bad. Deban, he is your friend and he is eating alone.
Yes, ma'am.
See, understood? Shall I proceed?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Nilanjan written?
Yes, ma'am, we can.
Okay. Now next. Next is heterotrophic mode. Okay, heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Parasitic, insectivorous, saprotrophs, and one more is symbiosis. I think last class I must have told you.
Yes, ma'am.
This,
Yes, ma'am.
you have written it. Am I right? So we will proceed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first is parasitic plants. Parasite means which harms.
Ma'am, which harm the host?
Very good. Harms the host.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I must have told you the lice living in your hairs.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It's a parasite. Similarly, some plants are also parasites and they are harming the. Yes, cascata. See,
Ma'am, that. Ma'am, that.
cascata. This is
Ma'am, that.
biological name and this is Hindi name.
Ma'am, my mom said that we call Amar Latta as.
Okay, fine. Amar Bel, Amar Lata, anything you can say. Bel means climber. So Lata is also a climber. That's it. Okay. Understood this? So see this. This is how it holds the host. वो ऐसे पकड़ लेती है होस्ट को. ये जो ग्रीन प्लांट है ये होस्ट है. ओके और देखो ये है अमरबेल. Understood this? Now see,
Yes, ma'am.
this is just the starting. Once this Amarbel will grow, then what will happen to the plant you want to see?
Ma'am, it will drink the plant
See,
and suck the nutrients.
this is how it will cover the plant.
Ma'am, I have seen this on many times.
Seen it? When you are going on, when you are, yes. So, you have not seen, you will see soon. Okay? See, this yellow part is Amarbit. It has covered the whole host and it is obtaining the nutrition from it. Understood this part?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Now, the next one, see this. Shall I proceed now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have seen the picture. Can you identify the Amarbel on the city if you are walking?
Yes, ma'am.
Or
Yes, ma'am.
if you are going in forest or highways, there you can see lot of Amarbels.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. One height.
Okay? See. So
And
there are different types. Now see this, Pita. Amarbel is hanging on the plant and what it does, it just From here, it will produce some injection like structures. It will just put the hole and obtain the nutrition from the stem. This is how it is eaten. Understood this part? So
Yes, ma'am.
this is a
Yes, ma'am.
host and
Ma'am,
these,
ma'am, you have told na they have injection like fruit.
yes. So they will eat the things.
Okay.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
okay.
when we take the vaccine, then like the injection will put in our body like that.
Similarly, injection similarly, but here vaccine when is being given to you, it will be giving you for your strength. Amarbel is what it is doing, it is obtaining the nutrition,
Sucking the nutrition.
sucking the nutrition.
Nutrition.
Understood this?
The nutrition.
So that means
Sucking the nutrition.
very good. It is harmful to the host. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, next another thing I am showing you. See this. These pink plants. They are.
What, ma'am?
This is a green one. This is host. And simultaneously, other plants are also growing and with roots. See, they have done the attachment. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
To obtain nutrition.
Water. Yes, ma'am. And water.
Sorry, I have written it wrong. Just hold on. The pink one is host.
Oh.
Just wait.
Ma'am, what is it called?
It's a host. On this side also, on this side also. And these plants, green one is just form the roots, long roots, and they will just incorporate the host plant to have the nutrition. It is obtaining the nutrition. Understood this? See, this happens in agriculture. This happens when you are doing agriculture. Okay, because you have a big farm and if you are going, suppose you are plan that I will grow only the mango trees. Okay, with mango tree, if other plant is growing, I think you must have heard about the word weeds. These weeds are unwanted plants. Weeds are unwanted plants. These unwanted plants, what they will do, they will just grow their roots and obtain the nutrition from the host. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall I proceed?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Now, insectivorous. Insectivorous means, I think you must have heard about the word herbivorous, carnivorous,
Yes, ma'am. And omnivorous.
and omnivorous. Okay, similarly, you have insectivorous. That means the plants eating
The plant that contains nutrients from the insect.
insects. Okay, understood? So, do you want to see that?
Some feature plant and various plant.
Feature plant. See,
And
is
coprolites
is this clear to you? The picture is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This is a pitcher plant which eats insect. Why it is eating insect? It is eating for the nutrition. Now you may ask me, ma'am, plants are performing photosynthesis. they are producing their own food, then why they are eating insects? Why they are eating insects?
They break in the areas which is wrapped in microbial.
One time, yes?
Ma'am, because they are not getting nutrition and eating. And they break in the areas which is wrapped in microbial. And
Okay.
they get nitrogen from the insect.
Yes, very good.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I say?
Nilanjan.
Ma'am, insectivorous plants take nutrition from the insect because they have no nutrition, they cannot get nutrition from the sun.
Okay.
When they
I will give a small correction over here. Okay. See this.
okay.
Some of the minerals or some of the nutrients, they are not available to the plant easily. So what they do, they eat insect, and through that insect they can obtain or they can fulfill their requirements. This is how the statement can be created.
Yes, ma'am.
They fulfill their requirements. See this?
We must like that.
Can you see
Yes,
the
ma'am, we must like that.
insect is there?
Yes, ma'am.
See, eaten up. Is eating it up. Understood? It require almost minimum 10 days to digest.
Ma'am, 10 days. Ma'am, 10 days.
10 days. It requires minimum 10 days. It may require 12 also or 14 also.
Ma'am, can you explain the digestive system of insectivorous plants?
Oh, that you don't require right now. But just understand that these plants, insectivorous plants, will produce some special chemicals to digest insects.
Now, can you slide that?
These special chemicals are called
Enzymes.
enzymes. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
That much is okay. You don't have to study much regarding it. Fine. Is it clear to you? So special chemicals. Special chemicals are nothing but enzymes. Okay. You will learn this when you will come in a higher class. What do you mean by enzymes? How they work? What they
Ma'am, we
do?
have in our second chapter about enzymes.
Yes, in digestive system.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. Good. So shall I proceed next?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Then saprotrophs or saprophyte. Okay. Done by
Fungi.
fungi, fungi, fungus. Okay. See this.
Ma'am, mushroom.
That is symbiotic relationship. This is fungus. This is mushroom.
Ma'am, that is white is the second image. What is that?
This one,
Ma'am, oh, I'm in the second section.
this one, na?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Oh, there are different
Yes, ma'am.
types of funguses, beta. Cup shape, dome shape, different types are there. Okay. So that is a different type. So these are the different types of fungus, and basically these fungus are saprotrophs. So that means they depend on dead and
Decaying organisms.
decaying materials. So see this, the whole surface is dead over here. Okay, here that wood is also dead. This region is not very much good for the growth. So fungus is growing over here. Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so saprotrophs means those who depend on dead and decaying material. They obtain nutrition from it. Okay. Then lichens. Lichens, what they are doing? Symbiosis. Now see, lichens is a mixture of algae plus fungi. Lichens is a mixture of algae plus
Fungi.
fungi. Now, in previous slides, we have studied that algae can perform photosynthesis.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but fungus cannot perform photosynthesis.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but algae is very fragile, very soft. Algae is very soft, while fungus is very hard. So fungus gives protection and algae gives food to each other. That's why they do symbiosis. Understood this part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see this. Just hold on. Now you can see here.
Yes, ma'am.
See, this is fungus and this is algae. Okay, both of them will live together so that this can prepare food and this can provide protection. Understood this part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is lichens doing symbiotic relationship. See here, it's a original picture. This is a diagram.
No, we can write.
Yes, beta?
No, we can write. It will be very hard.
No need. Just understand this. This is not required for you. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
See this, lichens.
Small.
Very small, very beautiful.
Yes, ma'am. Small flats. Cover the wood. Those
Just like cornflakes. Cornflakes you are eating that.
small content.
Okay? So this is what the symbiosis is. Understood this part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? So what you have to do is, see this. So what happens with this, that plants
Baba.
obtain nutrients from soil. They absorb it and plant synthesize or food. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So what your homework is, you have to homework. Read the chapter completely. Okay. And you have to solve the exercise. Understand?
Copy or notebook?
Homework book you have to write it. The exercise, textbook exercise is there. You have your school textbook is there.
Yes, ma'am. Question answer.
Everything you have to solve. But understand, no questions required.
Ma'am, we have to write the question answer.
Only answers. Put proper numbers.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, number wise you have to write the things, everything, whatever, fill in the blanks, true, false, whatever is there in your exercise, you have to solve. The whole exercise you have to solve.
Ma'am, descriptive question answer.
Yes, you have to write. Okay, fine. Now, and listen carefully. Listen carefully. Whatever you don't understand or you don't know the answer, or if you are getting confused that how to write this answer, then leave the space. I will dictate it, you can write. But don't copy and don't follow the shortcuts. Okay, read the chapter. First you no, first you have to solve it. First, you will be writing them thoroughly using your textbook. Keep your book open and write the answers. So, no mistake should be there in your notebooks. Understood?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
एक मिनट समझी नहीं okay fine so this is your homework next class you will show me your notebooks
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
okay fine
Can we send it on the
yes beta
Ma'am, we have to send our homework on the WhatsApp group.
no next class I will see it
Okay, ma'am.
okay
Ma'am, one thing I want to ask, how you have done the animation?
what beta
Ma'am, and how have you seen the talk about the animation?
I'm not getting your voice beta
On animations.
animations I just don't know much I have learned right now only okay
Okay, ma'am.
fine goodbye good night
Bye, ma'am. Bye, bye.
bye
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am. Ma'am, shall we leave?
yes you can
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
yes
Okay,
beta.
ma'am.
ये बढ़िया चला ना
हाँ सर सीख रहे हैं थोड़ा नहीं सर वैसे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है एक बार वो फ्लो आ गया फिर समझ आ गया थोड़ा फ्लो में गड़बड़ हुई वैसे टेक्निकली सर मुझे थोड़ा टाइम लगता है
नहीं इसमें सीखना क्या है Lihat lihat